Hey guys, I'm super excited about this video. In this video, I will reveal everything how to clone my entire affiliate marketing business as soon as possible and start generating revenue if you're a total beginner to the affiliate marketing. You can go absolutely from $0 to $1,000 per month. But please keep in mind what I'm showing you that will take a work. This is not a get quick rich scheme. It will not create a millions of dollars overnight. But this is a proven strategy. How did I started online business journey? So further wasting no time, let's dive into this video. So guys, first thing, what is affiliate marketing? In affiliate marketing, you are going to promote other company product. And whenever as an affiliate, when you partner with other company, you will get a unique link or unique URL. And whenever someone click on that unique link or unique URL and buy something, then you will get a commission. Obviously, guys, it is a win-win situation as an affiliate marketer and the company. As an affiliate marketer, you don't have to creating any products, product fulfillment, customer service, shipping, inventory, many more. You just need to focus on the traffic. And as a company, they don't have to spend 30% of revenue on the marketing. Instead, they can just give us flat 30% commission to the affiliate marketers. I think because of this model, affiliate marketing business will stay for longer period of a time, and it is a highly profitable online business model. In affiliate marketing, you need three things in order to be successful. So the first thing is the offer. Offer means that you are partnering with the company or a program to promote their product. And second one is the traffic. Traffic means a people or a customer visiting to your offer. Traffic can be generated in two ways: paid traffic and the organic traffic. And the third one is the conversion process. In conversion process, a system that can redirect people to the customers. So in conversion process, sales and follow-up process that will be done through funnel and email automation. I will talk everything in specific step by step. Now let's talk about the traffic. In our daily life, we see the traffic every day, and it's a very bad thing, right? And probably when you are stuck in the traffic, it sucks when you are late for the work. If you are learning affiliate marketing, so you don't have to face a traffic anymore in your nearby your future. So what is traffic in affiliate marketing? When visitors comes to your offer, that is called a traffic that we call as a lead. So when someone click on that unique link and they go to our offer that what we are promoting, that is called the traffic. The most important thing in traffic is that the traffic always must be targeted. We don't want unwanted traffic to our offer. For example, if a shopkeeper is selling hamburger to the vegetarian people, he will never end up getting sales. Instead of he is targeting the people who are non-vegetarian, then he will get more sales. So guys, targeted traffic is so much important in order to be successful as an affiliate marketer. So traffic can be two types. First is paid traffic and second one is organic traffic. Paid traffic means when you are running a paid ads, that is called the paid traffic. And the second one is the organic traffic. Organic traffic when you are creating a content in order to gain the traffic which is absolutely free. So guys, when I started my affiliate marketing business, I was just focusing on the organic traffic in order to stay a long run business. Because when you are running a paid ads, you will get a lead or a customer how long your ads are running. So in organic traffic, whenever you have created a content, it will stay for lifelong. So you will end up getting more customers, more leads and more sales so that you will get a more commission. So I think organic traffic is like a passive income. So guys, let's talk about the offer. Offer means you are going to promote a product or a service. So you are going to partner with the company or the affiliate network like ClickBank, Zavisu, Warrior Plus. So I think what happens as a beginner, most of the affiliate marketers do the exact same thing and they do fail. Don't do the mistakes that most affiliate marketers do and they fail. I also did the exact same thing and I do fail. What most affiliate marketers do, they first select the niche like health and fitness niche, dating or relationship niche, spiritual niche, any kind of a niche. Then they find the random product in that niche and they start promoting that product into the market as a solution to the customers. Over here, most of the affiliate marketers do fail because what happens? Products are not good and sometimes the products are scrappy. So what happens? The audience will not trust you and you will not end up getting a sales. So over here, most affiliate marketers do these mistakes and they do fail. Then I realized the key is to promote the product with the right buzz in the market. So in order to be successful in affiliate marketing, first select the product, not the niche. When everyone start promoting this exact same product, the audience become educated at that scale. An audience become curious. Eventually, there is a high chance of getting a sale. So guys, in this presentation, I will show you the product which has this kind of a buzz inside the market. Now guys, let's talk about the conversion process. What happens? Most of the affiliate marketers do mistakes in the conversion process and they do fail. If you want to double your sales, then you have to double your conversion process, not just the traffic. Let's take the example. If you are bringing 100 people or a lead to your offer and you are promoting a scrappy product or sometimes a clickbank product, you will end up getting a one sale or sometimes no sale. And then you have to double your sale, then you have to bring another 100 visitors to your offer. It is very quite hard. Or how about if you are getting more sales in less traffic? So you need a strong conversion process and you need a targeted traffic to your offer. So the formula to make more sales or a commission is that targeted traffic plus strong video sales letter, that is a sales funnel, plus follow up, that is email automation, that will end up getting more money and more commission. Now I will show you that kind of a product which has the right buzz inside the market. Before that, I just want to give you a quick revision of 3 steps to be successful in affiliate marketing. That is offer, traffic, and the conversion process. So guys, right now Legendary Marketer is the best product out in the market. It has a strong video sales letter and it has a buzz inside the market. Legendary Marketer is an online training university for the aspiring marketers. What Legendary Marketer do, they help people to start their online business or grow an existing business through online and cutting edge marketing strategies. So in Legendary Marketer, it has a low to high ticket commission. You can earn up to $2,500 from only single sale. So I did learn everything about affiliate marketing from Legendary Marketer. I went into a 15-day business builder challenge. Over there, I went into one-on-one training from the top affiliates in Legendary Marketer, and then I choose a high-end product. So guys, if you want to become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, or any profession, you need to have a proper education in order to be successful and financially free. And Legendary Marketer is the best education platform if you are new to the online space. So guys, this presentation is not over yet. As I told you at the beginning of this video, I will show you how to clone my entire affiliate marketing business. So here on the screen you can see I will show you how to set up the Legendary Marketer, how to join the Legendary Marketer, how to get your domain name and the professional email, how to set up a Systeme.io account. I will teach you how to create a high ticket funnel in Systeme.io account, how to do email automation, how to create a content on a social media and attract the targeted traffic. Everything is been teach in this clone page. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. I have put the link in the description below where you can clone our entire affiliate marketing business. So guys, if you have any doubt in cloning our entire affiliate marketing business, then email us support@futurepassiveincome.com. Until then, goodbye and see you in the next video.